my name is Luke. This is the bird. Look at the bird's beak. Is it long or short? Look at the bird's legs. Are they long or short? Is this bird a stork? No. Is it not a stork? What color is the bird's beak? Look at the bird. It is in the sky. The sky is blue. Can you see the clouds? They are white. Can you see the clock? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. It is very hot. The bird is very hot and tired. It is looking for some water. Look at the bird. The bird is looking down. What can it see? Is that a river?
Is there a river?
Is that a river?
There is.
There is water in a river. No, it is not a river. Is that is road?
Yes, it's right.
Yes, it's road. The bird is very hot and very tired. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see the sea. It can see the ship. There is water. There is water in the sea. But the birds cannot drink There is dirt in the water. The bird is very hot and very tired. Bye bye.